Good morning, everybody. So you're gonna notice that there's a lot of kind of the same meals this week, and that's because, well, I'm trying to get stuff used up in my freezer. I have a lot of chicken, and that's really about it. Well, right now there's gonna be more in there soon, but during this week there was lots of chicken. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will talk to you again really soon because the video is just gonna end. Bye. Okay, so today is Monday something day out. Sorry, Monday, March 25th. Jonathan just let me know. We are having some broccoli, a chicken breast, and Alfredo pasta. So chicken Alfredo with broccoli, essentially. That plate there is mine. I probably won't even be able to eat all that. And the children. But there we go. Dinner tonight. And tonight, for supper, it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. We're having some green beans, rice, and a pork roast that I just covered in a rib rub and cooked it in the slow cooker. That's our dinner tonight. Okay, and tonight for supper we are having kind of a mishmash here. I'm having peas and some chicken that I roasted with lemon herb seasoning on it, and then we've got a whole bunch of leftover rice, vegetables, and green onions, and kind of everything just fried together for a side dish. And the kids are having corn instead of peas because they prefer corn and I don't like corn. So there we go. There's our dinner tonight. Using up leftovers and probably creating a little bit of leftovers, but that's okay. Using up mostly leftovers. Okay, so tonight I'm giving the kids a little bit of a break from the repetitious meals at the moment. We're having tacos. I'm cooking it up, or I cooked it up with ground pork because I have a whole bunch of ground pork, and I did not know that they made lean ground pork. Now we know why all that pork was on sale. Not the best. And then I remembered Nathan's, oh, I gotta warm those up, but his refried beans, I always cook these first. And I gotta warm them up. And that doesn't really look very pretty, does it? No, and yes, I know, I need to clean my stove. What we got here, the lettuce, green onions, sour cream, the cheese is down there. I gotta go and deal with that and a couple other things I gotta pull out still. But that is their dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna have salad because I don't eat this. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow. Okay, and here is our dinner for Friday night. We are having pulled pork. This is Katie's plate. So Katie and I are having it on buns, and we have some fried broccoli and some French fries. The boys are having theirs on, what are these? Sausage buns, I think. Yeah, so the boys are having theirs on there, on that, and we're having ours on these. There we go. Dinner for Friday night.